Hello. Now we will look at for reverse bias case, working of PN diode, reverse bias case. So this was the unbiased case. Okay, at t is equal to 0, plus sign denotes donor ion, negative sign denotes acceptor ion. This filled circle is denoting electrons, unfilled circle is denoting holes. This is the circuit for reverse bias. Okay, this is reverse bias. So you can see here why it is reverse bias, because negative is connected to P side and N is connected to positive side. Okay, in forward bias P was connected to positive side, N was connected to negative side. It is just we have flipped the battery. Now what will happen? In this case the width will increase, W dash will be greater than W. Why? Because these electrons which are here, these holes which are here will get attracted by this negative sign. Okay, the holes will get attracted to electrons. Okay, in that case what will happen, they will try to reach to negative terminal. Similarly, electrons here will try to reach to positive terminal because they will attract, and in that case it will leave the positive and negative charges. Okay, I hope it is making sense. So from here holes are going, from here electrons are going, and what we are remaining with is negative charges and positive charges. So you can see there is an extra column, the width has increased because there is an extra column of negative and positive. Okay, here was only 2, here it is 3. So they have sucked in one column from right and left, and we are remaining with these last ones. Okay, so to give you a feel, this is at t is equal to t1, this was at t equal to 0. As soon as we applied negative reverse bias, the width increased because the immobile ions in the junction starts getting added. Okay, there are more number of immobile ions here and here with respect to the unbiased one. So that is how things are working. This is in P side, similarly in N side also it will happen. Now the current, if you look, electrons will come in this direction, holes will come in this direction, means the current will be in this direction and current will be in this direction, and current will be nothing but I naught, which will be the order of nanoampere. It will be very small current flowing through. If you remember the diode equation, I is equal to I naught e to the power v divided by eta vt minus 1. This we have not seen it, but you might have seen the expression. So this is the value I naught, and minus sign will cover the direction. Okay, this will be approximately equal to minus I naught in the reverse bias case. So that is how the things are working. I hope it is giving a clear picture. The more the value of this V reverse bias, the more the value of the reverse bias, the more the value of the width. In forward bias, the more will be the forward bias value, the lesser will be the width, which we have seen before. So I wanted to give you a feel of how things are working inside the diode. This is the diode. Okay, this is the whole thing is diode. This is metal contacts, this is wire. Okay, so this you can equivalent circuit will be like this. Okay, this is what I have made here. This is one, then this VR, then there are metal contacts, and this is wire. Okay, so you can imagine in that fashion. For forward bias it was the other way. Okay, it was like this. This was the case when we saw the forward bias case, and the unbiased case will be just like this. Nothing will be connected to this. Okay.